viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Dog Panther. Have you maxed out the 4 PIN attempts? Those that are sent to you so that you happen to verify your AdSense account. If your answer is yes, then you don't need to worry because you've come to the right channel. And I'm going to be showing you what to do next so as to have that issue sorted out. So what is it that you need to do? What you need to do is right now, head on to, first of all, log on to your AdSense account. Then try to click where it reads resend. Then if nothing works out, the next thing that you need to do is head back to YouTube. When you get to YouTube, kickstart a conversation with the support team. Send an email or a text. Start a conversation. Tell them you've been facing challenges. You've maxed out your 4 attempts and so far, no PIN has come through. You're in a place where you can't easily receive that mail that was mailed to your mailbox. And then what will happen is this. They'll send you a link and you need to click that link so as to open a form. And the form is the one that I'm going to show you. Let's take a dive. So as you can see, this form has those parts that you need to fill in, right? So the first part, you have to punch in the name the way it is in the AdSense account. They must match. Then secondly, punch in the publisher ID of the AdSense account. Then thirdly, you see a part where you need to upload a picture. That could be a picture of your national registration card, a picture of your voter's card. It could be the picture of your driver's license. And then you upload that. After you submit, it won't take way too long. It's going to just take a few seconds, not seconds, minutes, 30 minutes. The AdSense team will actually reassure you that they will get back to you. They have received that form. And then within about 1 hour, you will receive a confirmation that your AdSense account has been verified. And if you've hit the threshold, you will actually get cashed, especially if you have connected your bank account. Well, thank you so much for watching my video. In the next video, I will be showing you how to connect your bank account to your AdSense account. Then I will also roll out some other videos on how to do 1 or 2 things on YouTube for you to make it. Make sure that you are there. Turn on the notification bell, get subscribed. Stay blessed.